SolveYourTech.com, your source for how-to guides and tutorials.
Welcome to our video about how to change the ringtone on an iPhone in iOS 17. If this guide helps you out, then please consider subscribing and liking this video. If you don't like the sound that plays when you receive a phone call on your iPhone, then you need to change a setting called the ringtone. You can do this by opening the Settings app. You can then scroll down and select the Sounds and Haptics option, and then you just need to find the ringtone option here and select it. You can then scroll through the list of different ringtone options here, or you can go to the iTunes store and you can purchase a tone, but we're just going to choose one of the default options here. So once you select a tone, it's going to play a brief sample of that tone. And then when you find the tone that you like, you can just go back and you'll see that that ringtone is set. And then the next time that someone calls you, you'll hear the ringtone that you just selected.
Make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel to see more tech guides like this one. For additional information on this topic and to read the entire article, click the link in the description to visit solveyourtech.com.